there is a tunnel right in front of us. Holy. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ozzy's Drives. Today a very excited day because we're driving an Audi R8, which is nothing else, basically a Lamborghini. This is the Audi R8, which has the type code 4S, which means it is the 2015 to 2000, well, basically the present time, 2023, built R8. The first one came out originally, was presented to the public in Geneva at 2003, all right, but it came to production in 2006 and was sold as a V8. In 2008, they presented the V10, which is the engine we have today. It isn't really the one from 2008, but it's the latest evolution, which is also in the Lamborghini Huracan, and it is the 5.2 liter V10 FSI engine, producing 610 horsepower and 560 Newton meters of torque. Able to accelerate the car from 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds with a double clutch transmission, and tops out at 330 kph. So that is it for the stats. What is interesting though is this car has 120,000 kilometers, man. So it has been used quite a lot, and it's a rental car, which you can rent at SS Performance. First meters I'm driving here on this curvy bit, and you can tell I'm in comfort mode. I'm driving with the DSG in comfort, the double clutch transmission, and everything feels like I'm sitting in a normal Audi TT, or let's say like I'm sitting in an Audi RS3, for example. But when you want it to turn to a complete berserk car, to basically a Lamborghini Huracan, and I like to compare those two because they are the same car, okay? It's not like I got that out of my ass just to confuse you. No, they are the same platform, the same car. The brake system, everything is from Audi. So this is basically a Huracan on a budget. You can buy those cars for around 100K. This one maybe slightly less, and I will show you what the car is able to do. So there's a couple of performance modes here, drive modes. You can choose from comfort, auto, dynamic, or individual, but there's one little button with a racing flag on, which we're going to press now. When you press that, the car is in manual mode for the DSG, and trimmed to performance, and the ESP is not activated. So I think I should probably tell you about the exhaust system, because we have a capristo exhaust. Let me tell you something. This car is the loudest car I ever heard, man. I will open the window for that, and I'm cruising at 2,000 RPMs. Listen to that, 3,000 RPMs, fourth gear. Hey. Oh my God. And just as God wanted it, there is a tunnel right in front of us. Holy. Holy shit! Holy crap, that was loud. Holy shit, man. The up and downshifts are absolutely brutal. Holy crap. Okay, so it turns in very sharp. We have beautiful tires. I hope you can hear me, man. I hope you can hear me, because we have beautiful, very good Continental tires, sport contact. Holy shit! Okay, let's go to comfort. Okay, my eardrums are hurting, man. All right, so shifts insanely fast. Okay, insanely fast. I can't really tell where I have had so fast shifting times like in this R8. It's incredible. It's just a touch and it shifts down, especially in performance mode. Absolutely incredible. The downshifts sound so insane. I mean, did you hear that? Wow, pow, 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 pow! There is nothing that compares to the sheer pleasure a naturally aspirated engine can give you. Second gear, man! It's the typical Audi Quattro Experience. It does understeer a little, especially in the weight transfer. You have to kind of learn how to drive this car. It doesn't have the engine in the front, it sits right in the back, right behind me, a very heavy V10 engine, and you have to kind of understand how that goes and how that car feels. You always have to feel the car out. That's the most important thing when you're driving a sports car. So I'll go to performance again, and I'll put it into dry, performance dry. There's a couple of performance modes. The ESP is off now. Okay. I have never heard something like that in my entire life. This is completely insane. Very dangerous roads though. Don't look left and right, man. Holy shit, this whole experience is just out of worldly good, man. This is really incredible. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's so loud. It's so loud. Holy shit. Interesting thing is though, although we have 610 horsepower, you can't really tell because it revs so high, 8,500 RPMs, that you need to, the acceleration happens without you even noticing it because you rev so high and it doesn't have so much Newton meters. You know, 560 Newton meters is really not a lot. Another turbocharged car, listen to that. You know, turbocharged cars have much more boost to them. God damn it, my eardrums. Okay, this is when the capristo exhaust sound is on normal. Hey man, that sounds like a Audi 4-cylinder TT. But listen to that. Holy shit, man. God damn it. Audi R8. And a very reliable car actually. I tried to find some mistakes. I tried to find some things about it that weren't really good, but it's a reliable car. There are not a lot of sources that tell you something else. I mean, double clutch system from Audi, V10 from Audi, in combination with Lamborghini, stability from Lamborghini and Audi combined, the whole chassis, and everything else. I mean, the suspension, everything, it just works. You know, the Germans, they know how to make a car work. Second gear, third, fourth, fifth, fourth, third, second, third, fourth, fifth. How is that possible? How can it shift so fast? How can it shift seamlessly fast? It's insane. It happens instantly. It happens instantly. On every other car, I have a slight delay when shifting. This happens instantly, no delay at all. How is that possible, and how can you drive so comfortably still? is a waterfall. So nice. Look at that. Okay. Driving it through the city, it feels so comfortable. It's so easy to drive. Go into comfort. This is it, man. You can, I mean, just such an easy-going car. But then Autobahn driving 330 kph. I mean, it's a perfect daily driver, man. To be honest, I think it's a perfect daily driver. I really can't tell any different. Okay. Oh God, man, come on. Explain that to somebody. Never thought that I would be an Audi fan, but I like it. I really do like it. It's really a concurrent to a 911. To be honest, I mean, you can drive it so easily around town. Nothing will happen. Such an easygoing car. You know what? I'll just shut the fuck up and drive, okay? After 5,000 RPMs, this really gets going, man. Whoa! I swear to God, I can't hear anything anymore. I guess make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, join us on Instagram, find out about the exterior and interior review, link in the description, find out about the POV drive with this car, and that's about it, man. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one. Goodbye.